My little dog had cancer and I had to put him to sleep. And I printed a photograph of him. I'll show you that. And I'm going to design a frame out of this pallet wood here. And I think what I'm going to do is this kind of a setup. And then go extra long. Maybe not extra long, but longer. Maybe I'll do that in the middle, down at the bottom. So the image is a 13 by 19. And I have to make it a 1/2 inch shy, so it'll really be an 18.5 by 12.5 inches in the inside. So it'll be 12.5 by 18.5. And this will hang over. I think I like this idea. I was thinking about that, but I don't like that. I'm gonna go with that. That's what I'm gonna make. So these will be, actually I think I'll make it flush with the bottom. So I have to think about what cuts I need to make. So if I make these, no, I gotta think about this. So I measured from this end to here, 18.5, and then I added the width of this board, which will be this board here. This was 3 3/4, so I added that right there to there. So this will be my cut times 2. So that'll be times 2. And then I'll cut this one, should be 12.5. Okay. And that'll fit right in there. And then this one I'll just make longer. I don't know what yet. Because if this is 12.5 between here and here, and I add 3 3/4, well, whatever the width is of this, the width is about 3 7/8. So this one's a little fatter. So it'll be a little bit wider. So I know it's a big photograph, and I've got smaller ones all around the house, but he was really special to me. I had him 11 years, and I really miss him. And I just wanted to, he was a very big presence in the house in my life. I really miss him and miss his spirit, and he was very playful. Anyway, I made this out of pallet wood. It's very simple to make. The back is just a piece of mylar, and I glued the image to it and then attached the mylar to the frame. It was very simple to make. Easy for you to do if you want to do one. call him. I'm filming him. Ollie Boy, you want to go for a... Do you like to go for walks? You do? Are you a good boy? You like walks? I like walks too. We'll go for a walk later. A hike, a walk. Yes, you need a lot of food to hunger, don't you? You my good boy. You silly dog. You like the ball better. Shake it up! Shake it up! Shake it up! Get Dumbo! Give me Dumbo! Give me Dumbo! Want a cookie? Are you a cookie monster? I think you are a cookie monster. Are you waiting patiently for your cookie? Are you gonna dance for your cookie? Dance. So tell me, do you like your new sweater? Not so much. Why not? Why not? Why don't you like it? You want it off your ears? You want it off your ears so you don't turn it? Do you like it better now? It looks pretty good on you. It's actually a little big. It is. We'll return it and get it. You think we gotta go to the vets today, and you have to get a ultrasound because something's not right with your liver, maybe gallbladder. doesn't make me happy. I know you're not happy about it either. First of all, you gotta ride in a car. You don't like that. Secondly, it might be not good of a diagnosis. And we're a little worried about that. And you're only 10. Yeah, I know, but you're a good boy. You are a good boy. Chocolate? No? You want chocolate? No? So we're at this campground, and this was one of the last places that we brought Ollie. And he walked very slowly, but with me over here, and tried to poop a couple of times. But it was just a wonderful experience to know that he was here with us at this river's edge. Just loved this. He seemed to love it, and was walking around checking things out, sniffing things like any dog does. Then he walked over to the river's edge, and he stood right on that knoll, right on that knoll, and looked out, and I said, no, you don't want to go over there. So then we came over here, and he walked down to the river's edge, and you can probably see his paw prints. There's a few paw prints here. But this little one over here may be his. That one right there, maybe Ollie's. Took a drink of the river, and I brought him over here, and I picked him up and I placed him in the river. Over here maybe, just so his feet got wet. Yeah, I think it was over here, because he stood on this rock and it was a little wobbly, that rock. And I put him in there, and he took some more water. He just enjoyed the river here. It's a really pretty river. Really beautiful. And then we walked up there, and we walked down into that area. It's just nice to know that his last couple of days were spent in such a beautiful place. You know, when people talk about mourning, it's the truth. You really do need to mourn, and it's pain in your heart. It tells you that you did feel something, that you're alive, that your emotions are working, and yeah, mourning. It's painful, but it's cathartic, and it's helpful.